First, let's start about our Ghanaian traditional clothing. Our attire is not just about fashion, it is about identity and history. Kente is perhaps the most famous Ghanaian textile, originating from the Ashanti Kingdom. Kente is woven with bright colors and intricate patterns, each telling a story or conveying a message. The colors and patterns hold significant meanings. For example, blue symbolizes love and yellow represents wealth. Another iconic attire is the batakari, also known as fugu in the northern regions. This hand-woven smock is often worn during festivals and special occasions. It is a symbol of tradition and pride, with designs that reflect the cultural heritage of the people. The batakari is not just clothing, but a statement of cultural identity and respect. We also have Idinkwa symbols, which are often printed on fabrics. These symbols carry deep meanings and are used to convey proverbs, historical events, and aspects of human behavior. Wearing Idinkwa cloth is a way of communicating values and beliefs. For instance, the Jinyame symbol means except for God, expressing the omnipotence of God. Now, let's move on to the mouth-watering world of Ghanaian cuisine. One of our most beloved dishes is Jollof Rice. This flavorful one-pot dish is made with rice, tomatoes, onions, and blend of spices. It is often served with fried plantains and grilled chicken or fish. The debate over the best jollof, Ghanaian vs Nigerian, is a fun and ongoing one, but we all know that Ghanaian jollof is the best. Another popular dish is the Waakye, a combination of rice and beans cooked with dry millet leaves, giving it a distinctive color and flavor. It is typically served with varieties of sides like boiled eggs, fried plantains, spaghetti, popularly known as talia, and a spicy sauce called shito. Waakye is more than just food, it is a culinary experience that brings people together. Fufu, made from pounded cassava and plantains. It is a starchy side that pairs perfectly with soups. One popular pairing is fufu with light soup, a tomato-based soup often enriched with fish, goat meat, or chicken. Eating fufu is an experience as you use your hands to dip and enjoy every bite. It is a dish that embodies the communal spirit of Ghanaian dining. You enjoyed this delicious and colorful journey through Ghanaian traditional food and clothing. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. There's so much more to explore, so stay tuned for more videos where we dive even deeper into our culture. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more amazing content.